Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Italian dressing. This versatile condiment is a fantastic way to add zest to your meals. While it's a classic choice for green salads, its uses extend far beyond. Remember to always give the bottle a good shake before pouring to ensure all the delicious flavors are perfectly blended. This simple step makes a big difference in taste and consistency. Italian dressing makes an excellent marinade, infusing your proteins with incredible flavor. For poultry or thinner cuts of meat, a quick 30-minute soak is often enough. However, for heartier options like beef or pork, letting them marinate for a few hours or even overnight will yield a more tender and deeply flavored result. It's a simple way to elevate your grilling or roasting. Beyond salads and marinades, Italian dressing shines in your cooking. Try drizzling it over vegetables before roasting them for a burst of savory flavor. It's also a fantastic addition to cold pasta salads or potato salads, providing a bright, tangy element. You can even incorporate it into stir-fries or use it as a basting sauce while grilling to keep foods moist and flavorful. Get creative with your Italian dressing. Combine it with breadcrumbs for a flavorful coating on baked fish or chicken, adding a wonderful crunch and zest. It also makes a delightful dip for fresh vegetables or a warm, crusty baguette. Remember, once opened, always store your Italian dressing in the refrigerator to keep it fresh and delicious for future culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.